Good morning, children. Today we are going to start chapter 8. Riya reached uncle's home. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to read the railway timetable and understand the information given there. Okay, let's start. After a long journey by train, Riya and her family reached Vapi. Riya's mama's home is nearby the station. So, Riya's mama came to pick them up. Along with mama, his two children, Shril and Arnav, also come to the station. They hugged each other. They became very happy. Tell me, children, where did Riya's uncle stay? Tell me. Yes, Vapi. Who had come to receive Riya's family at Vapi station? Yes, Riya's uncle and his two sons, Shril and Arnav, had come to Vapi station to receive Riya's family. Understood? They hired two auto rickshaws from the station to reach Mama's home. Yes, children, there were 7 people, so they need 2 auto rickshaw. Understood? Tell me, why did Riya's family take 2 auto rickshaws to go to Mama's house? Why? Yes, children, Riya's uncle and his 2 sons had come to Vapi station to pick up Riya's family. There were 4 members who had come from Gandhidham. So, while returning, there were how many people? Yes, 7 people. According to traffic rules, 7 people cannot travel in one auto rickshaw. Isn't it? So, they had to engage 2 auto rickshaws to go to Riya's uncle's place. Understood, children? Children, after reaching home, Riya was feeling very sleepy. So Riya slept. After some time, Riya's mother woke her up. Riya's parents took bath and got ready. Himaksh and Riya also took bath and got ready. They all are excited. Why? Because they all are ready to visit Daman. Okay, children? Yes, children. Riya's mama's family was also going to Daman. They reached bus station by auto rickshaw. From there, by bus, they reached at Jampur beach of Daman. Children, I think you all visited Daman beach. Okay? They all are very happy at Daman beach. There was a crowd on the beach. Yes, you know, in beach people had come for fun at seashore. What did they do? Some people were sailing around the sea in the boat, some were riding on the horse, and some were on the camel. Yes, some were riding on the horse and some were on the camel. And what did little children were doing there? Little children were making sand house at seashore. Riya really enjoyed by seeing all this. Himaksh, Shril, Arnav and Riya also sat to make sand house. They enjoyed a lot playing in sand. Yes, Riya and her cousin started playing in the sand. Okay. Children, they also started playing in the sand. Yes, Ria's mama bought tickets for the boat. They sailed across the sea in the boat. Ria was afraid to get in the boat. Ria was very afraid to get in the boat. Then Ria sat next to her mother. They enjoyed boating in the sea. After that, they went for a horse and camel riding. Ria enjoyed horse and camel riding. Later, they had their snacks at the seashore. They enjoyed a lot. Okay? Yes, children, they had their snacks at the seashore. Okay? Now it was evening. It seemed as if the sun was sinking in the seawater. The sky was looking colorful. They took photographs and videos at the seashore. As it was getting dark, all started moving towards their home. This whole day, Ria spent at the beach made her feel excited. Ria was so excited. Children, the surroundings are getting dark, so all started taking photographs and videos of seashore, and they were ready to go back to their home. Okay? Yes, Ria's long journey was very interesting and memorable. Let's discuss some question answers. Okay, children? Tell me, where is Jampur Beach located? Jampur Beach is located on the sea coast of Daman. What did Ria see on Jampur Beach? Tell me. Yes, there was a huge crowd on the beach. People were enjoying themselves on the seashore. I told you some people were sitting in boats and having a ride in the sea. Some people were riding horses, and while others were riding camels. And what did small children do? Small children were making sand castles on the beach. Tell me, children, what did Ria's family do on Jampur Beach? What did they do? Ria and her brothers made sand castles on Jampur Beach. Then all of them sat in a boat and had a ride over the sea, rode on horses and camels, and had snacks on the beach. Then they clicked some photographs and also recorded a few videos. Okay, understood? And what did Ria see in the evening on the beach? In the beach, Ria saw the colorful sky, and it looked as if the sun was going down into the sea. Yes, the sun was going down into the sea. Okay, children? Children, you know, sometime at some places we need to take entry ticket. Tell me about such places. Yes, we need to buy tickets to enter places like, yes, theaters, circus, drama halls, zoos, science cities, museum, etc. Okay? Children, let's sum up what we have learned today. Ready? On which day of the journey did the train reach Vapi? Yes, the train reached Vapi on the second day of the journey. Okay. Which details are given on a railway timetable? The details about the route of each train. The details about each station that is on the route. Details about when a train will reach a certain station and the time it will start from there. Okay. Children, you know, on a railway station in Gujarat, the name of a station is written in Gujarati, Hindi, and English language. Yes, on a railway station in Gujarat, the name of a station is written in Gujarati, Hindi, and English. Where is Jambur Beach located? Jambur Beach is located on the sea coast of Daman. What did Riya's family do on Jambur Beach? Riya and her brothers made sand castles on Jambur Beach. Then all of them sat in a boat and had ride over the sea, rode on horse and camels and had snakes on the beach. They clicked some photographs and also recorded a few videos. And what did Riya see in the evening on the beach? In the beach in the evening, Riya saw the colorful sky and it looked as if the sun was going down into the sea. Understood? Sometimes at some places we need to take entry ticket. Yes, children, we need to buy tickets to enter places like movie theaters, circus, drama halls, zoos, science cities, magic shows, museums, ancient palaces, large gardens of some big cities, riverfront, flower shows, etc. Children, you know the vehicles in which we need to buy tickets to travel. We need to buy tickets to travel in buses, trains, boat, ropeways, steamers and metro rails. Okay. Children, you should form the habit of noting down all the small and big things that happen during the day in a diary. If you note down things in a diary regularly, it became a sort of journal and we can know and remember the past by reading our diary again. So, you should form the habit of noting diary. Okay. Among all the modes of transport, the highest number of passengers can travel in a train at the same time. A train is a comparatively cheap and quick way of traveling. Since we spend a lot of time in a train, it is our duty to keep it clean. Yes, it is our duty to keep it clean. Okay, children? Children, take out page number 61. You can see the picture of train ticket here. Look at the picture of the train ticket. Find the information given below from the ticket and write. Okay, let's start. Here is the train ticket. Some questions are here. You have to write the information about it. In the train ticket, you can see PNR number. PNR number means passenger's name record. It has kilometers, train number. It also has the name of train also. Okay, let's start. First, we have to find out the train number. What is the train number? Yes, what is the train number? 9037. Okay, got it? Now, date of journey. Okay, what's the date of the journey? 24/12/2018. Clear? Now, coach and seat number. What's the coach? A1, A1, A1. What is the seat number? A1, 21, 22 and 23. And what is the fare for ticket? Fare for ticket 2578. Got it? Now we have to find out the distance. Yes, that is in kilometer. 643. Yes, 643. Now we have to find out how many people traveled. Yes, how many people? 3. 2 adults plus 1 child. Yes, 2 adults plus 1 child. Okay, now we have to find out the ticket is for how many men and women. This ticket is for 2 men. Yes, 2 men and 1 woman. 2 men plus 1 woman is equal to 3. Understood? Children, let's see what other information can you find from the ticket. Okay? PNR number. Yes, 820644975. Okay? Got it? Now, class second AC. Yes, second AC. Place of boarding. Yes, place of boarding is Bandra terminus. Place of boarding, Bandra terminus. Journey ends at Ratlam Junction. Okay. Now, ticket number 68250-918. Yes, ticket number 68250-918. Now, name of the train. Yes, Awadh Express. Name of the train is Awadh Express. Date and time of purchasing ticket. Yes, 27/10/2018 at 2:36 p.m. Now we have to find out berth number for sleeping at night, its type and age. Seat number 21, lower berth, male, 39 years. Seat number 23, side lower berth, female, 37 years. Now seat number 28, upper berth, male, 7 years. Okay, children? Understood? Children, take out page number 62. The details of Riya's train is given in this timetable. Look at it carefully and give the answers to the questions given below. Okay? Children, you know, in railways, it is called 24 hours clock. Yes, 24 hours clock. Look at this clock carefully. 1 p.m. means 13. 3 p.m. 15. 5 p.m. 17. 9 p.m. 21. 10 p.m. 22. 11. Question 1. Write the arrival time of the train at the place given below. Gandhidham 20:55 hours. Ahmedabad 2:35 hours. Surat 7 hours. Okay. Question number 2. Circle the stations in the table which are mentioned in Riya's diary. Gandhidham, Sankhiyali, Ahmedabad, Nadiyad, Vadodara, Surat, Valsad, Vapi. From which station did the train start at what time? The train had started from Bhuj at 19:50 hours. Means 7:55 p.m. What is the distance that the train travelled from Bhuj to Gandhidham? The train travelled a distance of 58 kilometers to reach Gandhidham from Bhuj. On which day of the journey did the train reach Vapi? The train reached Vapi on the second day of the journey. Number 6. Fiona got off the train after that. How many hours Riya took to reach Vapi? Riya took 6 hours and 38 minutes to reach Vapi. How many kilometers did Riya travelled by train? Riya travelled 622 kilometers by train. Okay? Okay, children. Thank you. Take care.